How to put custom songs onto Beat Saber on Oculus Quest, Android Central. Beat Saber is one of the best titles on the Oculus Quest. It has you slash blocks and dodge bombs to the rhythm of pop, drum, bass, and more. While Beat Saber has a nice selection of songs built in and has more songs through DLC, it falls short when it comes to most contemporary music. Thankfully, users have created custom song levels for Beat Saber. It's worth noting that an update to Beat Saber stopped some methods for sideloading songs from working. This updated guide has a newer method that does work in the old method in case you're running an older version of Beat Saber. Sideloading content onto your Oculus Quest is relatively easy thanks to a program called SideQuest. You can check out our full guide to sideloading apps on the Oculus Quest or read the relevant steps for sideloading custom songs onto Beat Saber below. If you've already set up SideQuest on your PC, you can skip directly to the steps to prepare to install songs. Note, putting custom songs onto your Oculus Quest has removed saved data in the past. The status of how it affects saved data changes with different updates of SideQuest. Additionally, some people who sideload songs have run into issues, including seeing a black screen when trying to load Beat Saber. The first thing that you need to do with your Oculus Quest to sideload apps is enable developer mode. This is done through the Oculus app on your phone. Tap the arrow to the right of your device name to drop down more options if they don't show up immediately after selecting your device. Tap the arrow to the right of your device name to drop down more options if they do not show up immediately after selecting your device. Next, you'll need to get SideQuest ready on your PC. You'll have to download SideQuest from GitHub and install it. It's an executable file. So if you've used those before, it should work like any other. You can download it on Windows, Mac, and Linux. But here's a step-by-step breakdown of the process on Windows. To set up SideQuest and to install any applications, you'll need to connect your Oculus Quest and your PC. The app launcher creates an unknown sources folder in your Oculus Quest's library so you can easily find apps and games that you've sideloaded. You can now install APKs onto your Oculus Quest. While we haven't run into any issues sideloading custom songs onto the Oculus Quest, it's always a safe practice to create a backup. That way, you can restore previous versions if anything goes wrong. SideQuest has a tool built in to create and manage backups. You now have a backup of your Beat Saber APK in case anything goes wrong. You can also use this same section of SideQuest to backup and manage backups of apps you have on your Oculus Quest. BMBF is a relatively new way to sideload songs onto Beat Saber. Beaten and other methods of sideloading songs stopped working after Beat Saber updated to version 1.6. If you have a newer version of Beat Saber, you'll need to use BMBF to sideload songs. Note, the most recent time we performed these steps loading Beat Saber took a significant amount of time waiting on a black screen. It did, however, load eventually. The easiest way to sync songs to your Oculus Quest is to use SyncSaber. This is built right into BMBF, so you don't need to install more software. You do, however, need an account that works with SyncSaber. The first time you do this, it will prompt you to allow storage permission for Beat Saber. Select Allow. Following an update of Beat Saber to version 1.6, some older methods of sideloading songs no longer work. We've left this here in case you've elected to keep an older version of Beat Saber. Click on the Songs drop-down menu and go to the category you'd like to select music from, such as Most Like This Week. You're good to go. The custom songs are now on your Oculus Quest. To play them, select the Custom Maps section within Beat Saber. The Oculus Quest is a standalone VR headset. That means you don't need a PC or phone to use it. And you don't have to duck and dodge around wires. As a result, you can bring VR almost anywhere and immerse yourself in gameplay. The Oculus Quest has everything you need to run it in the box. But you can still add some accessories to enhance the experience and help you take it with you. This case will protect your Oculus Quest when you're on the go and has enough room for the headset and touch controllers. This strap adds another layer of support to the head strap that's built into the Oculus Quest. It helps distribute weight across your head to improve comfort, which is important for longer sessions. These batteries can be recharged up to 2,100 times and are a great way to keep your touch controllers charged and ready to go. The Oculus Quest allows you to play VR games without requiring a PC, phone, or external sensors. Here's every game you can buy or download for free. The Oculus Quest is an excellent standalone headset. But you can make it even better with the right accessories. Here are the best accessories for your Oculus Quest. Cross-buy allows you to purchase a game once and have it on both the Oculus Rift and Oculus Quest. Not every game supports it. But there are dozens of excellent titles that do. Here's every single one of them. Text source, AndroidCentral.com.